Pro only this year. Laroa just came back from Japan where he lost on points to Yasutaka Yamada. Yan po si Lito Laroa with 12 fights to his credit. Ito naman po si Manny Pacquiao, 6 fights lang. Panunurin po natin ito. Malalaman natin kung ipapakyaw ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito si Lito Laroa.
All right, this should be a great fight. And of course, everybody is talking about Manny Pacquiao. He's only 17 years old. And he has the potential to be a great fighter, but he has to go through the mill first. Dahil, oops, that's a slippery portion. Dahil siyempre batang 17 anyos pa lang siya. He's 17 years old. He has had 6 fights and 2 knockouts.
And Pacquiao, of course, coming from General Santos City, which is a hotbed and breeding ground of world-class professional fighters. That is the hometown of the former world super featherweight champion Rolando Navarrete.
Bad boy from the Diangas. Okay, 8-rounder po ito, and this is the first round, so they're still measuring each other. Probing round pa po. Kaliwete po, the young boy in white, that is Pacquiao. Pareho silang kaliwete.
Well, nagkakasindakan ngayon mga kaibigan, but Manny Pacquiao throwing a nice right jab. Again, Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito po si Lito Laroa. Very elusive target ito si Lito Laroa. He's not standing still. Laroa throwing also a nice nifty right jab.
Yes, and pareho silang hindi umaatras. Kaya maganda po ang salpukan natin mamaya mga in the next round or third round kung magkakasakitan na po, and they are going to have their hard exchanges.
No damaging blows so far, but we have seen Manny Pacquiao sneak in a few punches to the side of the body of Lito Laroa. Pero not too much action in this round so far.
Yes, Laroa also
getting impatient dito po sa Washington Sports Complex.
That's a good right by Laroa. Maganda itong fight na ito in the second or third round. Makakasakitan na ito, and they're going to have magpapalitan na. Sa ngayon, medyo nagbabasahan pa sila.
Pacquiao with a 2.5-inch height advantage over Laroa. Again, going to the midsection.
Good shot to the side.
Yes, he is attacking the midsection of Lito Laroa, and we're talking of Manny Pacquiao, the undefeated youngster from General Santos City.
The young boy in white. What is so good about Pacquiao is he's so young and he's only 17. Malaking bagay sa kanya yan. He'll probably grow up to be a regular featherweight later on. Okay, this is the second round of our main event tonight. And we should have some more action this time.
Pacquiao still going to the midsection.
That's right, he's investing.
Whereas ito si Lito Laroa is starting to attack the head of Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, kumukombinasyon na si Pacquiao. Sa baba, sa taas. Ayan, sa baba, tapos pataas. Tignan natin kung anong reaction ni Laroa dito. Second round.
Romy, there's an air of suspense dito sa Washington Sports Complex.
Yes, everybody's expecting something to happen.
Well, the fans are anticipating a knockout victory here for Manny Pacquiao, considering that he is undefeated and is known to have a big punch. Ito si Lito Laroa, being the veteran, is not going to be a patsy for Manny Pacquiao. You can be sure of that.
He's going to time his punches also. And he also has power of his own.
Yes.
Kaya maganda ito.
Laroa has 2 knockouts in 4 victories. And Laroa that time connected with short punches to the head of Manny Pacquiao. Laroa missing with a right swing.
Well, as soon as Pacquiao, you watch out for the combination. As soon as Pacquiao finds the combination or the opening, dahil non-stop yan kung pumasok.
Pacquiao a little careful about bringing down his guard. I think he respects the punching power of Lito Laroa.
Ring-wise also, kung kumilos ito si Laroa, talagang kilos veterano, marunong ng kumilos. Galing. Good fight.
Manny Pacquiao
There goes
teeing
Pacquiao.
off on Lito
And he goes,
Laroa. But Laroa turning the tables on Manny Pacquiao.
yes. Well, actually, Pacquiao wasn't able to connect solidly there, although he had pinned Laroa for a while.
Magandang hand speed ni Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Very quick combinations.
Ito, may mga pumapasok na. Baka nasaktan na si Laroa rito. May pumasok na dalawa kanina.
Manny Pacquiao is teeing off on Lito Laroa. Laroa is just covering up now in his shell. He's not
That's right.
fighting back too much. There you go.
He's
Laroa
countering.
now is coming back.
Yes, he's countering.
Laroa that
Pacquiao
time
should
connected
not
with a left
stop.
hook.
There's Pacquiao again. And he should go non-stop now. That's his style. Yes, that's it. Giving a lot of punishment now to Laroa.
And Laroa is forced to hold on. Masyadong
fight,
sporty
ha?
yung dalawang
Yeah.
boxer. They keep on touching gloves.
Maganda ito. Basta magsalpukan lang sila.
Straight leg hook ka. Right hook
You know,
ka.
it's very rare, Romy,
Makukuha na yan,
we
ha?
have an 8-rounder for a main event, a San Miguel Pier main event.
Kapit.
However, we are making this an exception because of the exceptional record of Manny Pacquiao.
That's right.
There is a lot of interest in this boy.
Okay, let's see. Tignan natin. Wala pa instruction so far. Ito na.
Yung kinakausap ni Max Corusuelo, si Manny
Slow mo
Pacquiao.
natin when Laroa was cornered. Walang solid na connection. Ito yung he was able to extricate himself eh.
Well, under attack ito si Lito Laroa.
Nakalabas siya namang sumuntok ng pagdating nila sa gitna. Anyway, lamang na lamang po si Pacquiao in that round. Let's see again.
Manny Pacquiao showing very good defense at this stage. Nice hand speed, but those blows of Pacquiao landing on the gloves
Not yet. No,
of
no
very
solid punch.
defense-conscious Lito Laroa.
Marunong itong si Laroa. He's just taking the punches dito sa forearm niya.
Oo, at saka sa gloves
Sa elbow niya, sa gloves niya. Dahil kasi gusto rin niyang manghina itong si Pacquiao in the future, no? Masipag si Pacquiao.
Pero walang tumatama doon sa mga binitawan ni Pacquiao. He's not able to penetrate very good defense of Lito Laroa.
Saradong sarado.
Oo. He
Well,
should continue to go to the midsection, Romy,
That's right,
because
because
that will bring down the guard of Lito Laroa.
in the latter minutes, yes, he should continue with his attack. Sige lang, kahit na ganon. Dahil kasi whether Laroa likes it or not, the punches later on will take effect, lalo na dito sa forearms din yan, no? Manghihina rin yan eh, sa kadarating. Magandang laban ito, malinis pa. So we're going to have a clear winner here. Right now, of course, lamang na lamang si Pacquiao sa puntos, but we can never tell later on.
Pacquiao continuing to pepper. Ayun po, a nice combination from Pacquiao. Lito Laroa again covering up.
Non-stop fighting by the
Manny,
young boy.
oh.
17 years old. Talaga nag-practice ng husto ito. Walang
And
tigil.
Laroa is just covering up. And
Yes,
there you go.
tumatiming.
He wakes up.
He slipped. He slipped. O, yan ang magulang. Tignan mo si Laroa. Kagaya ni yung nangyari kanina, tatalikod-talikod. Hindi pwede kay Laroa yun.
Medyo veterano din ito si Laroa. He has been a pro for 2 years.
I mean, that's
As
it.
compared to Pacquiao, who turned pro only early this year.
That's right. And that's it. Tumatiming nga si Laroa. Pinababayaan mo na niyang sumuntok para manghina itong batang to. He'll be spending a lot of effort sa missed, tsaka yung mga suntok na hindi naman pumapasok.
Well, remember, we are
Very
speaking
wise.
for 8.
Yes, he's
Oo.
fighting wisely.
Ito si Laroa, tama
yes,
yun.
showing as a veteran, playing as a veteran. Although ito namang si playing as a young man.
Oo.
Talagang ito.
Parang niroropa dope ni
Oo.
ni Laroa yung laro.
Okay, here's slow-mo action from the previous round of our San Miguel Beer main event. this eighth rounder.
And this was the slip.
That's right, between
And
Pacquiao
almost.
and Laroa.
Almost.
inabutan.
Oh.
No, dahil kasi
Laroa was quick.
talaga naman ganun during fight time.
Oo.
Birahin mo ng birahin, hindi tatalikod-talikod. Nako, hindi pwede kay Laroa yun.
But of course, we
Okay,
asked the
moving.
question, when will Lito Laroa break out of that defensive shell?
But pinababayaan lang niya because he's waiting for the opening. At pumapasok naman siya pag may opening.
Pacquiao
May
now
kombinasyon
going to
din
the
siya,
jab.
Oh. Pero tatalunin sa sipag to. Ibang bata kung maglaro
Laroa,
Laroa fighting wisely, but
Yes.
let's see. I mean, those are points, the way you see it.
but Pacquiao is moving around very deftly away from Lito Laroa using that nice right jab.
That is the way to fight him now. Now he's wisened up. Now he has learned from the first 2 rounds. Na ganito pala, then kombinasyon, ayan Then nasaktan na rin siya kanina sa mga kombinasyon. Matindi din kung magbigay ito si Laroa
Oh yes, oo.
Off slip.
And that's the third slip of Manny Pacquiao.
Palakpakan yung mga teenager sa corner ni Laroa. Akala nila na tinamaan si Pacquiao.
It's a very wet portion there in the corner of Lito Laroa.
That's right.
And Manny Pacquiao is keeping that right jab stuck on the face of Lito Laroa.
That's right. Throwing combinations. Although they hardly hurt. Oh, there goes Laroa coming back.
Laroa might have hurt Manny
He
Pacquiao.
scored with 2 shots there.
Well, Lito Laroa certainly a big test here for Manny
Sipag ng
Pacquiao.
bata. Talagang ang sipag. Super
Oo,
sipag.
and hand speed
yes.
coming from Manny Pacquiao. A series of blows. A nice flurry by Manny Pacquiao.
Parang punching bag. Ginagawang punching bag ni Pacquiao ngayon si Laroa with his combinations. Look at that. He's having his way. Paminsan-minsan si Laroa tries to come back pero masyado na siyang naiiwanan na sa puntos.
Pero maraming tira din si Manny Pacquiao. Not hitting the target, Romy.
True, that's true. But maybe he's landing 2 out of 5 or 6. So nauuna siya. Somehow Laroa has got to, like I said, come out more often. Hindi yung pinababayaan na lang niya si Del Bata ito
Well, definitely. Pacquiao dictating the tempo
That's
of this
right.
fight so far.
Okay, we have slow-mo action here in round 4. Oh, that's the time when Pacquiao slipped in the corner of Laroa there. Hindi natin maiiwasan kasi ang basa Basang-basa kasi yan sa mga iniinom na tubig, sa mga binubuhos. Ayan, yung ganyan, binubuhusan ngayon si Pacquiao. That's to wake up the fighter. Okay, round 5. We are into the second half. Kumbaga PBA game, ano po? Second half na tayo at masasabi natin na lamang si Pacquiao at this time. So it will have Laroa. Laroa will just have to come back.
Manny Pacquiao really has not hurt Lito Laroa
No,
in
no
this
way.
fight.
He has not, but he has been attempting to score and he has scored
Yes, he has scored
more.
definitely more points than
Yes.
Lito Laroa. Nice lateral movement by Manny Pacquiao. Look at the way he eludes Lito Laroa. And he comes back with some combinations of his own.
Magaling maglaro. Matapang, may kumpiyansa.
Getting a warning from referee Rudy Dalisa, it was Lito Laroa for punching during the break. Ang bibilis ng mga suntok niya.
Yes. He is
Manny Pacquiao.
that's why he has the potential for greatness because he can put power into his
Yes.
mitts.
It's
in the
dizzying
future.
head speed.
Yes. That's why we can bet on this young boy. By the way, Lito Mondejar and Rod Nazario earlier told me that they have given this young boy a new trainer because he didn't have a trainer before.
Well, Max Ferruzuelo is now in the corner of Manny Pacquiao. Ferruzuelo used to fight for Lito Mondejar during his days as a world-ranked mini flyweight contender.
That's right. And so they're trying to guide to give this young boy a break. And if they bring him up right, if they're not in a hurry, this boy will develop into something.
Once more attacking the midsection of Lito Laroa is Manny Pacquiao. A nice foot speed also being shown by Manny Pacquiao.
Yes, he has everything. He has all the moves. He's
Good lateral movement.
He's kumbaga ano kinito, he's a rough diamond.
Yes.
He can be developed.
Ayun. Well, it looks like Lito Laroa is a little frustrated. At hindi niya natatamaan si Manny Pacquiao.